So this plant is designated H15. Again, in my weekly inspection, I can see this picture is okay, it's doing well. But the one underneath is maybe crowded out, so if I move it this way, it can develop over here, which means I do need to remove a little tiny pitcher here so it doesn't overcrowd. And there is one little pitcher growing here, which I will also remove, in addition to this one over here. And if you look at on this side, there are two little pitchers that's developing, which I will also remove. So if you look, you have one pitcher here, one pitcher here, and a pitcher here, and then there's more underneath that's trying to make this way through. Now, if I gently take a look at this pitcher, I think I'll remove that one too. This one, I can let it grow over here. Okay. Is there anything underneath that's right through? Okay. All right. I think I will remove this pitcher because this one and this one will take its place. Now that I'm done with the inspection, and feed the plants a little bit of the nutrient solution. I usually favor feeding the older pitchers because they're more developed, and I want to make use of them before they expire, leaving the new pitchers longer to enjoy and appreciate. And what you just see me doing there is just using plain distilled water or reverse osmosis, purified water, filling the rest of the pitcher up to the collar to further dilute the nutrient solution I just provided. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.